everyone, it's me, the Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. Today's going to be the base box. So let's jump right in. So before we get into today's box, today is Mask Monday, and I'm wearing the Glam Glow prebiotic Glam Glow Berry Glow prebiotic mask. I have no idea what it does. I don't know if it's a brightening thing or not, but I got this in my add-ons, I think last month. Yeah, got this last month, and that was at a steal. So with that being said, base box, $25 a month. Never had a problem with base box, just until recently. I don't know if it's because of COVID. I don't know what's going on, if they're just trying to get rid of junk. But first things first, I opened up my box, and there's no insert card. None. So this is now the second or I want to say the fourth time that this has happened to me, where I did not get a card stating the value of the box, the items, whatnot. So after a while, that gets annoying because I have to go research the item, if I can even find the item, just to find out the value of my box. So I want to know where my money is going, and you know, whether or not I'm being gypped, to be honest with you. So since I'm going in blind, I will attempt to find the items and link the prices on the side. So yeah, the first thing that I see is the I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Again, I have no idea how much this is. This is 25 towelettes. Removes even waterproof mascara. Okay. Help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. That's cool. I would probably be able to use this every once in a while, just because I use niacinamide, and niacinamide and vitamin C do not mix. So odds are I probably wouldn't use this. I like the wipes, but every time I get wipes, I always give them away because I have my microfiber cloth that I use. I use the Pond's makeup remover cream and stuff. So, I mean, I have my stuff that I use. The next item is, yeah, this one, when I seen it, I couldn't believe it. The Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. Okay. I don't know why anyone would want a shampoo bar. I mean, I don't know. It's vegan. That's what it said on here. Plant-based vegan. For individuals who think in the shower. I turned around and literally my first reaction was, where's the conditioner? If you're going to give me a shampoo bar, give me some conditioner, please, because I won't use it. I will not use this. So taking it out, I think my husband will use this. It smells like soap, and it feels very soft and like kind of oily and stuff. Again, I don't know how much this is. Yeah, I think, yeah, no. As you can see, I'm not happy. Okay, so the next item is the Pretty Vulgar something, because I don't know what this is. I'm trying to see. Eyeshadow primer. Okay. It doesn't even look sealed. Like, some of the stuff I get, if it doesn't look sealed, I typically won't use it. This is not sealed. So far I got 3 things going in my giveaway box. The next item is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know. Again, nothing was sealed. It came as is, like that. Honestly, it just looks like a cheap, like, you can get something, like, yeah, I don't know. This does not look like high-end or even something decent. I don't know. When I look at it, I get the vibes of like a dollar store, maybe, like makeup. I don't know. Like, I don't know this brand. I don't know. I wasn't happy when I got that. My choice item was this mask that I'm wearing today. I do have two. This one I opened, this one I didn't. Just because I like Glam Glow products and I like masks, facial care. So I bought one extra in my add-on. And yeah, so I have no, I mean, I know this is somewhat expensive, but these items here, okay, that's 1, 2, 3, whoops, my mic. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus my premium rinky-dinky items. I call them rinky-dinky because I'm not keeping them. That's a lot that I'm not even keeping for myself, that I'm putting away to give to whoever, whether it's a giveaway. I have not done a giveaway in a hot minute, but during this whole COVID thing, I don't know if anyone would even want me to do a giveaway. You know, getting something from someone and just, I don't know. I was trying to wait till I got 1,500 subs. But yeah, so I'm not happy with this box. I was not really happy with the premium box either. And I'm hoping that it's because of COVID that they were just like, crap, you know, what are we going to do? Let's get rid of this. And it is what it is. So I'm going to give them like another 2 months. And if things don't improve, because last month I wasn't all that too satisfied with my box either. It was okay. But yeah, I'm going to give them another 2 months and I might just say, forget. I might just cut them off because, yeah, I'm not too thrilled. Not too thrilled. I'm not hoping for another Ipsy issue, you know, or something along the lines of Ipsy, because that was a hot mess. And for all I know, they could have gotten their, I don't know, gotten their shit together. So that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm always going to be 100% with you on my opinions on whatever it is I'm reviewing or unboxing or whatnot. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm so disgusted with this box. Please don't forget to sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and wherever else you can think of pollinating my videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of any future content, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.